Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here like that. And here we've got the recents. So all you have to do is to tap on this X button right in the middle, right here, tap on it, and your device will immediately close the background apps. As you can see, it left one of those apps opened. If we will open the recents, you can see that we've still got the app opened, but no worries. All you have to do is to simply manually turn it off just by swiping it to the right or to the left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.